Welcome, welcome, welcome to another Technique Taster. Have we got a project for you today? We're going to take a 6x6 paneled card, turn it on its side, and create a really fun, unique birthday card. We're going to be using one of my favorite tools, embossing folders, and you can get some amazing, just gorgeous embossing folders from Altenew. They have so many for you to pick from. This one that I'm using today is called Wings and Petals. To create this awesome background that you see here, all you need to do is ink your background, as I'm doing here, with your favorite color. I use pigment ink so it washes off my embossing folder beautifully, and you're just going to tap, tap, tap that color onto that front panel of your embossing folder. Once you have done that, you're going to sandwich your super stock into your embossing folder, and you're going to run it through your die cutting machine. Then you will re-ink and do it again. So twice gives you this beautiful background. To create the card base, you are going to want to have two 6x6 panels of super stock. We're going to be twisting them diagonally, so you need to cut off that bottom part so your card has something to sit flat on when you're standing it on a shelf. So you may want to create a template so you can put it on your 6x6 panels like this. You're going to cut both of them in exactly the same way by simply drawing a panel and cutting the two bottoms off. So this panel here is going to be your front panel because we're cutting off the bottom here. On the inside panel, we're going to take that template and flip it around. And all you're going to do is do a light hash line, because on the inside, you are going to put tape right along this edge. So here is your front panel. I've written front so you can see it, and we have cut the bottom off of that panel so that when it's standing on a shelf, it's sitting flat. On the inside panel, and I'll write inside there for you, you're going to cut off the bottom, and where we had that hashtag mark, we have tape on the one side, and I've scored it right there. When we put the two sides together, the back will fold back like it was a card. There you go, we have it. So that's as simple as that was to give us this panel. You may want to edge the sides of your panels and of course of your card. And I have cut this panel so that it fits within our card base. Everything was edged using a zebra pen. Before you adhere your front panel on there, add your ribbon. Okay, so the ribbon is sandwiched between the front panel and your card base. Heads up! Altenew created a layering stencil set for this beautiful embossing folder. There are 5 of them, but we're only going to use the first 3. It's beautifully stepped out on the back on how to add color to your design. And simply each stencil is marked 1, 2, and 3. Follow the instructions on the back of the packaging, and you can create your own embellishments for your card. And by simply fussy cutting them out, we're good to go. To make the frame that I created to put on my beautiful granddaughter's photograph, you're simply going to use your favorite square die cuts to create an open frame, and I have used at least 2, sometimes I use 3 pieces of super stock so I get that look and feel of chipboard. Then by using your pigment ink, you're going to apply color and heat emboss. Do it twice to get that beautiful glass-like finish. For your sentiment, I use these beautiful text images, again from Altenew, Wings and Petals, and I chose Happy Birthday for the outside. And what I've done is I have inked it with a little bit of the orange, inked it with orange, and added a little bit of the paprika on a piece of vellum and embossed it. This is one of my favorite ways to create text for a card or a scrapbook page. Grab a soft surface, and once you've cut your panel out, flip it so it's upside down, and using a ruler and a metal stylus, dry emboss the edge. This is going to create a beautiful white raised line on the front of your text panel. It will keep the edges from flipping up, and it just really adds a lot of gorgeous dimension to your text panel. A great way to add something special, a special message onto your front of your card, and of course to the inside of your card as well. There you have it, a very wonderful, something very special to share with your favorite person, in this case my granddaughter. Remember, you can make 3 panels so that the inside gives you an ah after your ooh on the front. What a fun, unique way for a presentation for a card. This is a 2-panel card, and I'm going to show you that you can get crazy. You could cut more panels. In this case, I cut 3. Oh my goodness, look what you have. You have just a gorgeous portfolio. This is for my granddaughter's mom, my daughter Leah, and you can see that I have done it all the way from the front to the back, and of course, I have also done the back of this card as well. What a beautiful present that you can give the people that you love, just using your Altenew stamps and your Altenew embossing folders and some great pigment ink. Hope you had a good time. Can't wait to see what you create using these ideas. Bye for now.